Hi, I'm Danica. You're watching Danica the Artist. If you're a beginner artist, griever, or just feeling stuck, welcome. I'm a certified Therapeutic Art Life Coach, as well as an artist, art teacher, art minister, and creative mama.
Hi!
On my channel, you'll see lighthearted tutorials, paintings about deep things like spirituality and healing, and lots of helpful information, inspiration, and tools for mental health wellness. I'm always making something. You can check out my artwork and learn more about my coaching and other projects at danicatheartist.com. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like your favorite videos. Thanks for watching.
Bye! Bye.